Okay, so today's lesson is lesson 12.5, volume of pyramids and cones. So the volume of a pyramid or a cone is 1/3 the volume of a prism or a cylinder with the base area and same height. So the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. So our first question is about the Great Pyramid of Giza. For over 40,000 years, it was the tallest monument ever built. Calculate the volume of the Great Pyramid of Giza, a square pyramid. So I'm going to start by drawing that, a square pyramid with a height of 280 meters and a side length of 439.6 meters. So the side length 439.6 and a height of 280. So remember the volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the area of the base. Well, it says that it's a square pyramid, so I'm just going to find the side length and square it. So 439.6 squared. To find the volume of the pyramid, I would take 1/3 times 439.6 times the height, which is 280. I'm going to do all of this at one time in my calculator. 1 divided by 3 times 439.6 squared times 280 equals, holy moly, that's gigantic, 1,803,646,494.93. 18,036,494.93 meters cubed. All right, squared. Let's do another example. The Luxor Hotel in Vegas is modeled after the Great Pyramid. It has a height of 110 meters, and it has a side length of 183. So the volume equals the area of the base, 183 squared, times the height, all over 3. So 183 squared times 110 divided by 3. And that is 1,227,930 meters cubed. That's a 0. All right. So hopefully you've noticed that the volume of a pyramid and a cone is the same formula that we use to find the volume of prisms, and then we just take that and divide it by 3. So area of the base times the height divided by 3. 90. Now let's look at the volume of a cone. Same formula. Volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. However, and divide it by 3. However, let's talk about what the base is of a cone. The base is a circle. So really the formula is pi r squared, area of my circle, times the height, all over 3. So the TP below has a circumference this measure right here, of 75.4 feet. And it has a height of 18.6 feet. We need to find the volume of a TP. So the first thing that we have to do is take the circumference and discover what the radius is. So I remember from previous lessons that circumference is the same thing as 2 times pi times r. So 75.4 equals 2 pi r. When I divide both sides by 2 pi, 75.4 divided by 2 pi, that equals 12.0002, so approximately 12 feet. So the volume is pi times 12 squared times my height, 18.6, all over 3. Now, you can leave your answer in terms of pi. I'm going to do this answer both ways. I'm going to leave my answer in terms of pi, and I'm going to multiply it out. So 144 times 18.6 equals, divided by 3, 892.8 pi, 892.8 pi feet cubed, which is about 2,804.8. 2,804.8 feet cubed. Your last example is an oblique cone. Remember, you learned yesterday about right prisms or right cylinders. Same thing applies. This is an oblique cone, so it just means that it's slanted. However, we calculate the volume the same way. Remember that the height is always perpendicular to the base. The height is always perpendicular to the base. So the height, 8.3 feet. The radius, 5.7 feet. So the volume, pi times the radius, 5.7, squared, times the height, 8.3, all over 3. So I'm going to leave this one in terms of pi again, just like we did the previous one, and then solve with pi. So in terms of pi, my answer is 89.88 pi. Really, I'm just going to round that to 89.9. 89.9 pi. And then when I multiply that by pi, I get that that's about 282.4 feet cubed. So that's it for volumes of pyramids and cones. Your homework posted in your module. Good luck.